Hey, no mediocre crew, come with us as we travel from Dallas, Texas to Hawaii on an 8-hour flight across the Pacific.
Look at Jose. But yeah, so this is how we're traveling with our luggage. Yeah, don't have any space, but we have to make do with what we have, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's go. Oh, so this is where we're staying. Kona Resort and Spa, and this is where we'll be spending our lovely 9 days here in Hawaii. Look at this. They love us. Right, Rescue?
Mm-hmm. Well, you know, had to tell them something special. So.
That was your idea. I thought they were like, they love me.
It's both. It's both.
Oh yeah, guys, and I got this at the front desk. I didn't do any filming at the front desk, but there's nothing really to do more than we just like sorry, Breasty, not me. Breasty sorted out some payments, and we got this little thing right here. This beads.
Got laid for the first time.
What? What do you mean?
That's what they call it. So when you get a necklace, usually it's flowers, but this one's a shell necklace.
Okay, how you open this? Let's show them outside. Oh,
yeah, there you go. Oh, it looks like there's a lock on it.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Alright, so let's check out the view outside. Whoa! Woo! Look at this! It is beautiful! Oh my gosh! Can you imagine the sunset from here? Oh, they have a water slide!
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm definitely going on that one. I'm a child at heart. Yes, guys, and I'm so happy that I'm here in Hawaii. It's been somewhere I always wanted to visit ever since I was a child when I used to watch Lilo and Stitch. And I'm finally here. I know it's funny. I remember when I just met Bresky and we were talking and so forth. And you know, about places that we've been to. And I remember he said to me back in 2018, oh yeah, I've been to Hawaii before. And I was like, what? You know, I was so caught up in the conversation once he said that because, you know, I was intrigued. And we're here together. We're here together.
Different island.
2026.
Different Hawaiian island. But
yeah, because you went to
Maui, yeah.
And now we are at the big island, Hawaii, yeah. So yes, guys, stay tuned, you know, because, you know, it's time to travel.
Hey! Yeah.
And a while ago, guys, when we were coming, you saw everything in terms of the car that we were driving and so forth. And guess what? Rain started falling. So, but we never captured that because I tried to be very careful holding my phone.
Yeah.
It was slippery and everything, but it was so much fun.
It'll be easier now that we don't have all the bags.
Yeah. But yeah, man, I hate this. Yay! Yeah. So, subscribe. Guys, if you don't subscribe, you won't know what I upload on the channel in terms of the places we go here in Hawaii, the things we do, the food we eat. You know, Breast is loving food. You know, I'm loving food, so.
You got big belly.
Yeah, man, but yeah, this is it. Hawaii 2026. Alright, so you saw the room. Now it's on the fruits. And this is the bathroom at Outrigger Resort and Spa. Zoom out. And then we have a closet space right here. Basic closet. Mirror. TV. Oh yeah, we got these complimentary water bottles. See what's under here. We have the refrigerator. Is there anything in it? Nope. Drawers, table of course. Yeah, and that's it. And you know, you already saw the balcony. Good morning, good morning. It's so goofy. It's our first morning here in Hawaii, and we're having breakfast at this country club.
Late, like a brunch.
Yeah,
Kind of miss breakfast.
because he woke up late.
Sure, yeah. We'll let the audience believe what they want.
But yeah, we never really wake up late. Cause God know, I did get some good rest. I went to bed like after 9 Hawaii time, which is like after 3 a.m. Jamaica time. And trust me, I woke up like 12:40, something like that. But yeah, moved around, did a bit of looking online at the things that we want to do for the day. And so I missed my omelette, which I wanted, my cheesy omelette. So I'm settling for a sandwich and fries. And I have a blended fruit punch right here. And what are you having, Pepsi?
Fish tacos.
Yeah, fish tacos.
She wants mine more though.
Yeah.
Show the view though. Look at the view.
Here, oh yeah, let me show you guys the view. Check this out. Oh, look at the view, guys. So this is the view from the country club that we're having brunch at. Yeah, it's a lovely view and the atmosphere is just right. And this one is ready to dig in. And we got ourselves a guava cheesecake, looking tasty. Tasty. All right, let's dig in. The sun is pretty hot, so I told Bresky that I needed to get a hat. So we are at this hat store, and I saw this hat that I like. I love how it fits. Name of the store. The name of the store is Kimura Lahala Shop. See, lots of hats in here. Lots of hats. Yeah, lot of hats. There are bags and all sort of different things. It's a Japanese owned store. So this is the hat that I'm going to get. And the price for it is $42. Yeah. Pretty cute. And it will give me enough sun coverage.
It's a creative, skillful art.
Yeah.
And I used to do beer koozies. I used to sit there and just drink beers with friends and just weave them. And boom, there you go. You got a koozie.
Yeah.
Here. We're like, let me see your wrist size real quick. And then make
Cool.
them. But
Nice
highly
little-
recommend if you guys stopped in here. This is one of the highlights.
So it's
for
just
sure.
unique to Hawaii, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot of people.
Like, let me see your wrist.
If you see one that you like, yeah. Then we can...
Just stick your thumb out like you're trying to get something on. Like, that's very close. I think this one right here. I'm good at what I do.
Yeah, I'm usually good.
Oh, 'cause
You like
want
it?
you
I'll
want
buy
it
that for you,
just-
sis. I'll buy it for you.
You don't have to. I mean,
No, it's okay. I got you. That went on perfectly for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, put that one on mine. I got you.
that's really sweet of you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Welcome to Hawaii.
So what? This one has like a specific name to it?
So
like based on the design?
Yeah, this is just basically your standard checkerboard.
Oh, checkerboard. Okay.
There is stories to be told. Like for instance, like this is like progressive, right? Like there's like throughout all the different styles, there's everything represents something. This is kind of like I would say along the more like generic, very easy to learn. This is what you're going to teach somebody is the three or four pattern.
Yeah, and this is very basic weaving.
Yeah.
Just basic. The thing on this is because
like,
there's different colors.
This is more of a you're
So
doing
that
a
you know
style,
this is
whereas
you
this
can
is
see
like you're
distinctively
following
that it's a
consistency
checkerboard.
of
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
left,
So
right,
they
left,
call it
right, left,
checkerboard.
right, left, right.
Okay. So this can be used to do maths and
Everything,
everything.
yeah.
Lahala.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the leaf that was used to make
All
this.
this here too. Same.
Okay.
This hat. Same.
So they use that same leaf and then like the black part they color it?
Yeah,
How
so
do-
that's
okay.
it's either squid ink or it's black dye.
Oh, okay.
But the traditional way is squid ink.
Squid ink.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, we are now at Magic Sands Beach. Bresky wanted to check it out, so it's not like it was planned that we're going to go for a swim or anything of that sort. So, yeah, he said he just want to see what it's like. And funny enough, as soon as we parked, he's like, I should have brought a towel. I was like, why do you need a towel? He said, you just want to go and look. But yeah, I want to go to the beach, but we can do it in the morning. Okay, darling?
All right.
The morning or
Yeah,
late
sure.
evening. Okay?
Sure.
Yeah, but you can go and dip your toes in the water right now. But take a look at the water, guys. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Super blue. Kind of reminds me of Jamaica's beach anyway. Yeah.
But we're in the Pacific, so it's gonna be.
Look at these rocks though, quite unique. Lava rocks perhaps. Maybe. See, I love that these kind of stones here.
Yeah, definitely lava rock.
Yeah.
I mean, this island is basically a volcano island, so.
Yeah. Look at that water. Careful now. Maybe it's best if you walk that way to your right. Careful. Water looks good though. I'll definitely go for it. Today we are on our way to explore Kona Farmers Market. Bretsky here is ready to go. And yeah, so Kona's Farmers Market and possibly Rainbow Falls. Yes, those are two of the places that we want to go and see today. It's a bit late, but well, not really late. It's what time is it now? Like after 12 in the afternoon. But yeah, but Rainbow Falls, yeah, thanks for turning off the engine. but Rainbow Falls is like 1 hour and 46 minutes away from where we're staying. But yeah, yesterday was quite an adventure. Not necessarily for me, but for Mr. Bresky right here. We didn't get to do much yesterday. We just stayed in and chill. But Mr. Bresky right here decided to go on an adventure at the hotel by climbing a cliff to go and kiss the water while trying to kiss the ocean. I'm sorry, I don't mean to laugh. While trying to kiss the ocean, he lost his phone, his watch, his wallet, every single thing, everyone. Yes, you know who's a support system right here now. More. Myself. He won't eat unless I feed him now. Anyway, I'm joking.
Yeah, she's not used to that. She's not used to that.
But yeah, it's all a part of the adventure, I guess, right? But yeah, man, poor soul yesterday.
Oh man.
Yeah, but yeah, we're about to go and explore today. We have a few more days left here in Hawaii. Tomorrow is another day where we plan to explore a few more places. But for today, we are gonna go to Kona's Market. See what it's like, maybe get some little souvenirs, whatever, and also Rainbow Falls to see the rainbow and the falls. I think that's what's going to happen. Yeah. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Like the video, share the video, and leave a comment. Yeah, over and out from Big Island, Hawaii. Yay! You're looking for me?
Yeah.
Rock me, mama, like a window rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Hey.
These are really nice.
Look at this one.
I like this one.
That's cute. Angel on her leg.
Oh, and look at that one. The volcano right there.
You like that one?
Yeah, it's cute.
I like this one.
Yeah, but those tell a story more.
This one's cool too. Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, these tell a story.
This one's not bad either. Well, I guess it's more simple. Actually, this is
So I'm with Ellie right here, and she is the proprietor of Cocoon Chocolates.
Yes, cacao cocoon chocolate.
Yeah, shit. Twist up on the Yeah. So I'm gonna buy the lavender chocolate right here. It's really good. I tried all four, and our babies are delicious.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, cacao cocoon is sweetened only with Big Island honey, infused with our local vanilla bean and a touch of Kona sea salt. We've got 5 signature flavors, all with a special name to touch your soul and really take you to the next level.
Yeah, I'm already taking to the next level. I'm in love with the lavender.
Cool. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Hopefully people visit Big Island will come and check you out. Yeah, because we're in the farmers market. So where else are you?
Okay, so we are on the Island Naturals grocery store. It's our local natural food store. You could also come up to the Queen's Market up in Waikoloa.
Okay, are these like, can we find these on Amazon?
Yeah, Amazon, or you could just go to cacaococoon.com.
Well, I'll support. So when I leave Hawaii, I'll support. I'll go and get it, alright?
Thank you so much.
All the best, Ellie.
Okay.
Bye.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Look, bikini bottom coffee. Bikini bottom.
Oh yeah. Oh, acai bowls.
Sure you'd see that, of course. Your favorite.
You want to get one?
No, I don't. Which one? Want the turtle?
Yeah, they're both good though.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take the Hula Dancer, and it's for $12.57.
bird shit. Oh, you little.
Alright,
Oh, look at that.
Just make sure you keep a hold of it, yeah? Don't put it down or it will fall. Okay, and the way it's in the middle? Yep. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Wow, more than I can manage.
All right, let's get to it.
So I got the lava freeze with ube in the middle. Yam flavored ube, I believe. Yeah?
It's a purple yam.
Yeah, purple yam. Yeah. I've never had ube and I hope it tastes good. Bretsky said it tastes good, so let me trust him that it tastes good. But this is massive. This is the large and I paid just $12, no, $11.78. Ube Fins tropical treat. Yay!
All right. How's it taste?
It's so good.
Yeah? Is that satisfying your craving for something refreshing?
Really good. I was dying for thirst. Really, really good. I'm not lying. I'm not exaggerating. For real, for real.
That is huge.
Yes, I know, right?
No, there's just a place up the street in Pasadena. They just, that was their thing, was like burritos and shave ice. And she did the shave ice.
Approaching the middle of my shaved ice where the ube is. Take a look. Let's taste it. Hold on. It is good. It's creamy and delicious. Yeah, it is tasty. No, you're fine. I'm doing a video. Yeah, it's so tasty. So, the reason why I wanted to try the ube, even though it's my first time, is because when I was on TikTok, I was looking up things to do in Hawaii. I saw where someone said that you can visit the Pineapple Shack in Hilo, but we're in Kona, and try the ube latte. So the mere fact that I went to this place and wanted to shave ice, and the lady asked me if I also wanted to add like ice cream or something like that. I was like, what? You can add like ice cream to the shave ice? She said, yes, you can add it in the middle. So yeah, up there to take the ube, and oh, so good.
Told you the ube is good.
It's really, really good. Like everything right here right now is good. So satisfying. Because before, maybe I felt just for ice cream, but it's like I have an all-in-one combo right here.
It's really good, yeah. Ube is like, how would you describe it? It's like a cross between like
Ice cream.
marshmallow and like sweet potato or something. I don't know.
I have no idea. All I know is that it tastes good. And I'm finished most of the shaved ice. Then I finish with the ube. Aloha! And this morning, Bretsky and I will be venturing out to go and explore the Black Sand Beach and possibly the National Volcano Park. Yeah, I mean, our time here is winding down. We haven't gotten the chance to do a bunch of activities, but more so we'll be just enjoying the resort. We've had a little bit of moments we didn't go exactly as planned. For instance, Bretsky got sick one of the days and he had a stomach bug which lasted like maybe for a whole day, and then the day after I got ill, and and my illness like lasted for a day and a half. I spent the entire day in bed at the hotel yesterday, and it started like the day before that. Yeah, but long and short of the matter is that it was horrible, and furthermore I just didn't have an appetite for anything. But last night wasn't so bad. I went out late last night and I had this Hawaiian soup, oxtail soup, and it wasn't so bad. I still wasn't able to eat anything out of the soup, I just had the broth, but it really helped my stomach, and I woke up this morning feeling refreshed. Yeah, so that's what's up. And yeah, you know, the funny thing, the first day we arrived and we were at the hotel, Bresky pointed out a mongoose. I said, oh look, there's a mongoose. And I said to him, look, when you see a mongoose, don't show it to anybody because it brings bad luck. I know, it's a Jamaican thing, yeah. When you see mongoose, you don't tell nobody. But yes, not being superstitious or anything, but after that day, like just things just started happening. Thinking two things. Maybe we will see them because it's very windy. Not windy, the sea is rough, so they'll come out.
I don't know.
And maybe they won't come out because the sea is rough.
I have no idea. We'll find out. Hopefully we'll see one.
Here's a fun fact. Punaluʻu Black Sand Beach gets its jet black sand from lava that cooled rapidly when it hit the ocean. It's also one of the best places on the Big Island to see Hawaiian green sea turtles. These turtles often come onto the beach to rest and warm themselves in the sun, and they are considered a symbol of good luck, protection, and long life in Hawaiian culture. Because they are protected wildlife, visitors must keep a safe distance and never touch them.
Look how shiny it is.
Oh, these guys are ready for food. Oh, yeah.
Good. So guys, we stopped at Hana Hou Restaurant.
And we
Which
got
is-
these plates right
Yeah, and it's Hawaiian dishes. This is pork.
Roasted pork.
Roasted
yeah.
pork with rice, with mac on the side, and I'm not sure what this is. I guess it's pork too. And Gretzky, what did you get?
I got the fish sampler, so I got the ahi tuna, fresh caught fish. I got like a slaw, the mac salad, and these are the chicken skewers, I think.
Oh, and you said the shrimp?
Yeah, shrimp. Yeah.
And the shrimp is tasty. It's tasty. Oh, and this is the Lily Koi lemonade. Nothing special, I guess. Just a fancy name. Or an Hawaiian name. I don't know. But let's dig in. So it's night and, well, it's like 7:12. It's raining. And we're just arriving at the Volcano National Park. Not sure what's gonna be seen tonight, but let's see. Can we just go right through? I guess so.
Yeah, maybe it's this time of day.
Whoa. Look at that.
没了，我就没了，蟑螂下哎，
哎
就哦，有个有个有个，
哎呀，还看，但是这个看起来看不清，
没有昨天亮。
It's huge.
看看星星上面的。
Oh, nice.
哎呦，不要看又多了，弄过着了。
他这扫二维码了呗。
Oh my god. As much as it's windy and cold, look how beautiful the sky is. Alright, so now we're walking back to the car and we are cold. Resky is shivering like a leaf. We drove all the way up here just to say we have witnessed an erupting volcano. So this is a pathway, guys. So they have lights that line the pathway so that we don't trip. I think the reason why it's this cold though is because the sea is close by and it was raining as well. They also have a restroom close by. So yeah, restroom and parking lot.